A huge number of people will look at the expression and immediately start with 2 plus 3, giving them 5. Then they bring down the times 6, the division symbol, the 5, and the times 2, turning the expression into 5 times 6 divided by 5 times 2. After that, they multiply 5 times 6 to get 30, then divide 30 by 5 to get 6, bring down the times 2, and finally multiply 6 times 2 to get 12. But that answer is completely incorrect. Let's solve this problem the correct way using PEMDAS. PEMDAS tells us that multiplication comes before addition. So instead of adding 2 plus 3 first, we must multiply 3 times 6. 3 times 6 equals 18. Now we bring down everything else, so the expression becomes 2 plus 18 divided by 5 times 2. Looking at PEMDAS again, division and multiplication come before addition, so we do not add 2 plus 18 yet. First, we divide 18 by 5, which we can write as a fraction 18 over 5. Then we bring down the times 2, and to make multiplication easier, we write 2 as a fraction 2 over 1. We also write the first 2 as 2 over 1, so now we have 2 over 1 plus 18 over 5 times 2 over 1. Since multiplication comes before addition, we focus on multiplying 18 over 5 by 2 over 1. Multiplying the numerators gives us 18 times 2, which equals 36. Multiplying the denominators gives us 5 times 1, which equals 5. So now the expression becomes 2 over 1 plus 36 over 5. The denominators are not the same, so we use the butterfly method. Multiply 2 times 5 to get 10, then multiply 1 times 36 to get 36. Add those together. 10 plus 36 equals 46. The denominator becomes 1 times 5, which equals 5. So now we have 46 over 5. This fraction cannot be simplified any further, so this improper fraction is one correct answer. And this time we solved it correctly. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and join the smartest community on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.